You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Science failed me. Magic was there.
Your little spells are nothing compared to
30
ancient
seconds before you attack.
Asgardian magic.
Get ready.
Strange.
Stephen, old friend, be mindful that the barrier between realms is most fragile.
It is indeed troubling, Thor. The mystic community on Earth is helping me monitor all kinds of dimensional disturbance.
It is always reassuring to have you in Midgard.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Help get that vehicle to its destination!
Power beyond sight! Dangerous here will not... An unseen assist!
You're halfway there! Keep going!
I'll patch you up. That should make a difference. 3, 4! By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Almost there! Don't turn back now! Enemy
Bogies
located.
incoming.
Anyone?
Thor, sometimes I forget you were literally born for
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
good medicine. Power beyond sight! An unseen assist! Castle went down fighting. Still got him in. We must and shall save the world tree.
It's Rider time!
An unseen assist!
Our next victims.
That fucking hurt!
Get that vehicle moving again!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns. Faster! The world tree withers! I am strengthened. An unseen assist!
You are
I've not seen so many spiders since...
I am Asgard's might! It's clobbering time!
behind you!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Why, we stopped, fighter!
An unseen
They
assist!
look like they mean business.
Good medicine.
You're halfway there! Keep going!
Let's save that tree. Ride. I need to find cover.
Beyond sight. Feel firepower! An unseen assist!
We made quite a team!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns!
Hell yeah.
What am I? Invisible?
Get that vehicle moving again!
Every delay makes Loki stronger. Hurry!
It's spider time!
Enemy located.
Ionic magic!
Damage sustained. Need assistance.
An unseen assist! Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
We've got trouble.
It's slaughtering time!
A little help, please.
Every delay makes Loki stronger. Hurry!
Only 60 seconds left.
Power beyond sight! Dazzle went down fighting. I am past God's light! I purge the darkness! By the eye of Agamotto!
Down to 30 seconds.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Double KO.
Our time is short. Finish them!
The final 10 seconds. No winner yet. Going to overtime. The current score is 1-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2.
Time entanglement is a vexing problem, even for the Sorcerer Supreme.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
When did the whole damn universe turn upside down, Doc?
The time stream is collapsing, Eric. The effects can be disorienting.
Getting hard to tell day from night anymore.
Fortunately, you're one of the few of us equipped to handle both.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Every spell cast has its price. My debt is power beyond sight! Ionic magic! magic! Good medicine.
Can't catch me.
Our enemies are near.
I am strangely vulnerable.
Ionic magic!
No complaints.
Shields up!
I need to find
Blade is in his element. Castle went down. An unseen assist! The wings of Watum blow fair this day. Ionic magic! This is
You are nothing!
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Psychic shift.
this is
Better stop
Mortal
that
pain
vehicle!
is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme. I am strengthened for battle. By the eye of Agamotto!
Only 60 seconds left!
Ionic magic! Castle
There's
wins.
still a chance to stop them!
Together to victory! The Sorcerer Supreme.
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
An unseen assist!
You did your part, I suppose.
the hunt is on.
I am strengthened for battle.
Feel the pulse! They have been seen and they will not escape.
Castle went down frightfully.
This is real firepower!
Anyone willing to
Good medicine.
Another of Rocket's creation.
An unseen
You are nothing!
Double KO!
mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer
Better stop that
Supreme.
vehicle! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Feel the pulse! Now I see them.
Ionic magic! I am strengthened for battle. By the eye of Agamotto!
Only 60 seconds left!
By the eye of Agamotto! I have unfinished business here.
Final score 1-2-2. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. I would knit the dimensions back together if it were within my power.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The time will come when all air breathers will kneel before me.
Not according to the scenarios I've run, Namor. You're better off with us than against us.
Who are you to think you know better than the Prince of the Deep?
Amy Han, director of Tiger
The
Division.
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I've met hordes of dolphins more capable of saving the world.
You're up, little one.
Now I see.
The mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
I cleared out Spider's nest.
These little robots may be a problem.
Ionic magic! Good medicine.
It's spider time!
Born again! By the eye of Agamotto!
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Control lost.
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Spider step! Destructive
The Sorcerer Supreme returns! There is only one Sorcerer Supreme.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
It's been way too long since we did the whole Agents of Atlas thing, Amy. Almost all of my time has been devoted to running Tiger Division solely.
I get it. Too busy saving the world with your new crew to save the world with your old friends. It's all good.
No, it's not.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
When you're fighting for your nation and your dream, losing simply isn't an option.
There they are. I need some help.
I am
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. We captured the mission area! A nice deep freeze.
I am strengthened for battle. Dark magic!
It's Spider time!
By the eye of Agamotto! Captive fight of enemy in front of us! Leave me, darkness! Mortal pain is no
Your
match
team's
for
capture
the
progress has
Sorcerer
passed the
Supreme.
halfway point. I like the cold.
Good medicine.
I'm hit! Cover me!
Born again! Good medicine.
I like the cold. It's Spider time!
Again!
Keep going. Control lost.
Playtime's over!
That's 3.
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.